Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cream paneer. This delightful dish is surprisingly simple to prepare, perfect for a weeknight meal or a special occasion. We will use fresh paneer, rich heavy cream, and a blend of aromatic spices to create a truly comforting experience. Get ready to impress your taste buds with this easy-to-follow guide. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the paneer. Carefully cut about 200 grams of fresh paneer into uniform 1-inch cubes. Next, gently pan-fry these cubes in a little oil until they achieve a beautiful, light golden hue on all sides. This quick step not only enhances their texture, but also helps them hold their shape perfectly in the creamy sauce. Now for the heart of our dish, the creamy sauce. In a pan, sauté finely chopped onions with a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste until they turn translucent and fragrant. Then, add about 150 milliliters of tomato puree and cook until the oil begins to separate. Finally, stir in 200 milliliters of rich heavy cream and a generous pinch of garam masala for that signature warmth. Almost there, gently fold the prepared, lightly fried paneer cubes into your simmering creamy sauce. Allow everything to simmer together for about 5 to 7 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld and deepen. Before serving, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. This delicious cream paneer is best enjoyed hot with warm naan bread or fluffy basmati rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.